whine of the motor, the pop of the plank, and a pristine cut. Sawdust raining down. Brace yourself to experience it all in today's video. Timber. In the blink of an eye, the lumberjack transformed a towering cedar into a memory. 3 minutes, that's all it took. Nature's giants fall swiftly before their skill. This guy took a hydraulic press, some scrap metal, and a whole lot of ingenuity, and bam! He's got himself a firewood splitter. While aesthetics may not be a priority, efficiency and effectiveness are clearly evident. Check out the results and prepare to be amazed. Can you even fathom the sheer terror of dozens of tons of timber running amok? It's a scene straight out of a nightmare. Oh, the wonders of cedar. It's like nature's gift, wrapped in warmth and durability. Come along on a delightful adventure as we peek into a Japanese woodworking factory and discover the magic behind crafting with this gorgeous wood. Can you believe this? The LKT-81 is pulling a massive 20 cubic meters of timber. That's not a typo, folks. We're talking triple the normal capacity. This machine is a powerhouse, built to last and conquer any challenge. So, what do you think? Is the LKT-81 the ultimate workhorse? Introducing the HSM4-05H, a high-performance harvester engineered to meet the demanding requirements of large-scale timber operations. With its exceptional power and stability, the HSM4-05H is the ideal solution for mechanized logging. Currently priced at approximately $440,000, it represents a significant investment in operational efficiency. Hold on to your hats, folks. We're about to witness some jaw-dropping feats of lumberjacking. These Asian tree fellers are redefining wild. No safety gear, no harnesses, just bare feet scaling towering trees and felling them with a single saw. Can you even believe it? Whoa, when the Welta W130 and Kesla 25RH2 team up, it's not just a machine you've got. It's like a whole symphony orchestra of power and precision. Forget optimized. Productivity is skyrocketing. And the operator? They're not just happy, they're probably doing a victory dance right now. This combo is seriously mind-blowing. In a highly anticipated showdown, the Husqvarna 572 XP and Steel MS462C demonstrated their cutting prowess. Both chainsaws exhibited exceptional power and precision, making the competition incredibly close. Ultimately, which chainsaw will be the winner? Wow, that was really scary. I've never seen anything like that before. So this Foley Bell saw, a 14 circular sawmill. It's kind of old school, right? Like back when people built stuff with their own hands. It must have been cool to see it in action, turning big trees into wood for houses. It makes me think about how things were made back then, and how much work went into everything. It's definitely a piece of history.
Come on, women.
Well, this is exactly why you should keep a safe distance from areas like this. Ever wondered how people took down massive trees before chainsaws? It was all about felling saws and axes. Ready to see it in action? Check out this video and let me know what you think.